Hi, good morning. I was planning today to come live here just to give a little bit of an idea of what is going on Friday during the workshop. You know that on Friday I am having a workshop together with Emmie Matthews in Ealing. It's going to be the first day of February from 9 a.m. Hello, Sydney. From 9 a.m. to noon at Charlotte's W5. And it's going to be one morning especially dedicated for small business owners, in which we can help you identify how to plan your marketing for this year, which just began. We're going to be talking about offline and online strategies. And specifically, my session about SEO is what I'm going to talk about today, so that you know what you can expect from it. Basically, in 1 hour, I'm going to help you come out of that meeting with an idea of how you can manage on your own your website SEO if you are a beginner, a small business owner with no knowledge at all. So it's going to be a beginner session, very easy, very basic. And but I wanted to choose as a name the minimum viable SEO because it's really going to give you an idea of what you should do if you have no other time to dedicate to your SEO, or if you don't want or cannot afford to outsource it to anybody else at the moment. So you will come out of the session, of the training, with a precise list of things, and they are all going to take not more than a precise number of minutes, because I know that we all struggle with time, and it's never enough, and we all have to prioritize. So we always prioritize on working on our clients' projects, on all on all the things that we need to do to deliver the best kind of service that we can. But we also need to work a little bit on our business. Hey, Sarah, if we want our business to grow, it's something that we need to invest time on. Although we struggle with time, we can get very nice results just investing a tiny little bit of time. And I will give you a precise structure of how much every week. I will just let you know what you can do just by giving 10 minutes every week, 1 hour at the beginning of every month, which you can decide whenever you want, but it's just going to be 1 hour. 10 minutes at the beginning of every week, and a few minutes every time you publish anything. I will tell you exactly what to do in this little bit of time. It's really snackable, bite-sized portions of time that we can squeeze, because we can all find 10 minutes at the beginning of every week. And if we know exactly what to do, if we go straight to the point, if we have a list, a precise list of things that we are supposed to do in that time, then it's really straightforward, and there is no possibility of making confusion, of wasting our time. We are really going to be time and money efficient. And talking about money efficiency, there is a nice thing that my kids did, and I want to show you. This is the coupon code, which is friend. And you can use it on Eventbrite to book your ticket. There's just a few tickets left, and we just limited the number to be sure that we're not overbooking. So you shouldn't be waiting too much. Also, because this coupon code is only valid today and tomorrow. So you just have 2 days of time to get a 20% discount from the ticket price, which is £130. With the discount, it's £104. And it's really not much for getting 3 hours of amazing training, marketing and SEO training, including networking options, because we are going to be all small business owners together. And I know many of the people who have already booked, and they're just amazing. So I can only vouch for them all because I know them very well. And well, what can I say? I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't love it so much. See you there. I will post the link here, and if you want to know anything more, just let me know. Bye. Have a lovely day. Well, lovely week.